Good day guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a Replit to GitHub. So first off, you can't do it here on the home page or your settings. You will have to open up your app first. So choose the app and then go to your editing interface in there. So I'll choose my Python, and in here as you can see, this is where I can code. Next thing you do is click on Tools and Files, and in here find Git. It's going to be here, or you can just search for it in the search bar. So go to Git, and in here as you can see, no Git provider configured. You need to connect a provider. Press on Settings, and in here as you can see we have GitHub. It's disconnected. Press on Sign In. Now continue. Then authorize Replit with GitHub. Of course, make sure to log into your GitHub as well and press authorize. And now connected successfully. And as you can see now, our GitHub is active and running. Very easy to do, guys. Enjoy the video if this helped. Like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.